So you like DeepSeek, but when you try to use it, you get a nasty answer that you don't really like. Let's see. So I'll ask DeepSeek to help me with making a description for my YouTube video, okay? Please help me. Nothing happens. You know, a lot of times either it works, usually it works the first time, and then I have to wait many times. Just it's not working like ChatGPT, of course, and that's a big problem, right? And sometimes if you disable these two things, there is a higher chance that it will work, but still not always. So, and by the way, like that's not how I'm creating a description of my YouTube channel video. I prefer to do it a different way, starting with the video, and yeah, I'll tell you another time. But now, again, you see, this server is busy. Please try again later. This is happening all the time. If you want to avoid this, to not deal with this annoying thing, if you want to talk to DeepSeek and to brainstorm for something, to manage to do anything, then I recommend you to go to OpenRouter. If you search openrouter.ai, you will find this website where you can use different large language models, and there are some things that you have to pay for, but there is also a way that you can use it for free, and that's exactly like you are going to use exactly the same thing. Let's see, without this, I think it's how it works, but yeah, and you don't get that error anymore. Okay, so how do we do that? We click on chat. It's simple. After coming here, it's very important you have to log in, okay? Just use your Google account, click on login, and you should be good to go. It's not more complicated than that. And when we click on chat, let's see what happens. You will see we get some answers here, some things, and what you want to do here is to just go here and click on add model, and you can search for DeepSeek, and you can also type in free so that you don't have to pay, because here you can also pay, connect a credit card and pay for use of different models, but you want to use the free one, and I think this one right here is the same one you have on the official website. So clicking here, and now there you go, we have our DeepSeek that should work without any problem. Hey, please help me write a YouTube video description. See? Oh, too many requests. Yeah, sometimes I get this error. It's a bit weird that it came right in the first time. So I will click. What I can do here, you see this retry button, click on it and wait, don't do anything. Yeah, I think also if you click around like crazy, like I usually do, you might also get an error. And there you go, that's how it works. Now you see how it thinks, and soon it will give you an answer. So this is the way to do it. Of course, you can include even more language models, but you are going to get simultaneously more answers from different tools. I don't know if you want to do that. That's how you can do it. And yeah, that's how I went over my frustrations of using this website, which is never available. I told you, most of the time I managed to get 2 or 3 answers, and that's it. Right? That was very frustrating. So I looked for an answer, and this was it. Like, using OpenRouter is the easiest and quickest way you can do it. Of course, you have other options as well. You can install and run this model offline, but if you don't have a machine for that, yeah, then this is much simpler. Okay, just log in just to recap this. Go to OpenRouter, log in with Google, with your Google account, and then add here, click on add model, search for DeepSeek free, and choose the one that you want. You can also use this one, this still Llama, and you can also use this one, older one. But yeah, you see, these are the most recent ones. So yeah, and that's how you do it. I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.